Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy M20 to remove the lock screen. Welcome, this is the Samsung Galaxy M20 and I'll show you how to do a hard reset of the device to remove the lock screen. As you probably noticed, if you try to turn off the device, it will ask you to draw a pattern to turn off the phone, which you need to bypass as well. To do it, hold volume up, volume down, and power key until the screen turns off. Then let go of volume down and keep holding volume up and power key. It might take a couple tries to get it right. Once the screen turns off, count about 1 to 3 seconds before letting go of the keys. There's a moment where the screen turns off but the phone is still on, so you need to get it right when the phone actually turns off. At that time, start holding volume up and power key. If you get it before the vibration, it's fine. The vibration is a sign that the phone is turned on, and if it's already on while you're still holding the keys, it's too late. If you let go of volume down before it vibrates, it should go into Android recovery. From here, go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset using volume keys to navigate and confirm with the power key. Once more, select Yes and confirm with the power key. The phone is removing all the data. Tap on Reboot System now and it will continue removing personal data in the background while turning on. This will take a little longer than usual, so just be patient. Once finished, the phone will go into the Android setup screen. As you can see, we're on the Android setup screen and I can set up the device as I like. If your device is locked with a Google lock, check out my other video on how to bypass that. It's a step-by-step guide with all the links on the website. You can follow it and remove the Google lock screen or security lock. As you can see, we don't have to put anything in anymore. The device is unlocked. Turning it on and off works fine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.